Our Earth is a giant magnet, it's true, we don't see it, but it's there, a powerful force surrounding our planet. This magnetic field acts like a shield, protecting us from harmful things in space. Imagine a superhero's force field, deflecting danger before it can reach us. This invisible shield originates deep within Earth's core. Molten iron flows like a giant ocean, generating electric currents. These currents create the magnetic field that envelops our planet. It extends far into space, forming a protective bubble we call the magnetosphere. This magnetosphere is our first line of defense against cosmic rays and solar wind. Without this magnetic field, we wouldn't be here. It's as crucial to life as the air we breathe and the water we drink. It's a silent guardian, silently working to keep us safe in the vastness of space. But what would happen if this shield were to disappear? The Earth's magnetic field is a silent guardian, protecting us from dangers we rarely consider. One of its crucial roles is maintaining our atmosphere. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This wind, if left unchecked, would strip away our atmosphere over time. Our magnetic field acts as a barrier, deflecting the solar wind around our planet. It's like a giant umbrella shielding us from the sun's constant outpouring. This protection is vital for life, as our atmosphere regulates temperature, provides the air we breathe, and shields us from harmful radiation. But the magnetic field's protection goes beyond our atmosphere. It extends into space, creating a region called the Van Allen radiation belts. These belts trap high-energy particles from the sun and other cosmic events. This trapping mechanism prevents these harmful particles from reaching Earth's surface and causing damage. We owe our very existence to this invisible shield, a testament to the incredible forces at play in our universe. Imagine a world without the Earth's magnetic field, a world exposed to the full fury of the cosmos. It's not a pretty picture. Without the magnetic field's deflection, the solar wind would slam into our atmosphere with full force. This constant bombardment would strip away our atmosphere over time, leaving us vulnerable to the harsh realities of space. Increased radiation would be one of the most immediate and devastating consequences. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles from distant stars and galaxies, would reach Earth's surface in much higher doses. This radiation can damage DNA, leading to mutations, increased cancer risks, and other health problems. The loss of our atmosphere would also have catastrophic effects on our climate. Temperatures would fluctuate wildly, and harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun would reach the surface, making life as we know it impossible. The Earth would become a hostile and barren wasteland, a stark reminder of the importance of our magnetic shield. The disappearance of the Earth's magnetic field wouldn't just impact our planet's natural systems. Our technology would suffer a crippling blow. Satellites, orbiting high above Earth, rely on the magnetic field for protection from solar storms. Without this shield, they would be bombarded by charged particles, causing malfunctions and even complete failure. Communication systems so reliant on satellites would face widespread outages. GPS navigation, satellite TV, and even internet connectivity would be severely disrupted. The economic and social consequences of such disruptions are almost unimaginable in our increasingly interconnected world. Even ground-based technologies wouldn't be spared. Power grids, essential for modern life, are vulnerable to geomagnetic storms caused by solar activity. Without the magnetic field's protection, these storms could induce massive currents in power lines, leading to widespread blackouts and damage to critical infrastructure. The world as we know it, so dependent on technology, would be thrown into chaos. Life under threat from genes to ecosystems. The disappearance of Earth's magnetic field would pose a dire threat to all life. Increased radiation would impact living organisms profoundly. DNA is particularly susceptible to radiation damage. This can lead to mutations, some causing diseases like cancer. A surge in mutations could overwhelm species' ability to adapt. Ecosystems could collapse as key species struggle to survive. Without the ozone layer, most life on Earth's surface would be scorched. To understand the potential consequences of losing our magnetic field, we need look no further than our neighbor Mars. Once, Mars may have been a warmer, wetter planet, perhaps even harboring life. However, unlike Earth, Mars lost its global magnetic field billions of years ago, leaving it vulnerable to the solar wind. Over time, the solar wind stripped away most of Mars's atmosphere, transforming it into the cold, arid desert we see today. Without a substantial atmosphere, Mars can't retain heat, resulting in extreme temperature swings. Liquid water, essential for life as we know it, is scarce on the Martian surface. Mars serves as a stark reminder of the importance of a magnetic field for planetary habitability. It stands as a silent testament to the potential fate that awaits Earth if we were to lose our protective shield. While the processes and timescales might differ, the ultimate outcome is a bleak reminder of our planet's vulnerability. The complete disappearance of Earth's magnetic field is highly unlikely. However, our magnetic field is not static. It fluctuates in strength and even reverses polarity over vast timescales. These magnetic flips, while not uncommon in Earth's history, can have significant impacts. During a magnetic flip, the magnetic field weakens, and the magnetic poles wander, even swapping places. These fluctuations can weaken our planet's defenses against the solar wind, leading to increased radiation exposure and potential disruptions to our technological infrastructure. While a complete disappearance of the magnetic field is improbable, the possibility of these magnetic flips reminds us of the dynamic nature of our planet. It underscores the need for continuous scientific research to understand these changes and develop strategies to mitigate their potential impacts. The potential consequences of losing Earth's magnetic field are profound, but we are not powerless in the face of this cosmic threat. Science provides us with the tools to understand these risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. Through research and observation, scientists can monitor changes in Earth's magnetic field, providing early warning systems for potential disruptions. This knowledge allows us to prepare for solar storms, protect our technological infrastructure, and minimize the impact on our lives. Furthermore, scientific advancements offer hope for developing technologies that can shield us from increased radiation. From radiation-resistant materials to advanced shielding systems for spacecraft and habitats, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Science is our most powerful tool in understanding, adapting to, and potentially even overcoming the challenges posed by a changing magnetic environment. Earth is our only home, a fragile oasis in the vastness of space. Its magnetic field, a silent guardian, has protected life for billions of years, allowing us to thrive and evolve. As we venture further into the cosmos, it's our responsibility to understand and protect this precious shield. Supporting scientific research, promoting space exploration, and raising awareness about the importance of our magnetic field are crucial steps in safeguarding our planet's future. By investing in knowledge and innovation, we can ensure that future generations inherit a planet as vibrant and life-sustaining as the one we call home. Let us embrace our role as stewards of this planet, protecting our pale blue dot for generations to come. Our future and the future of all life on Earth depends on it.